The use a card. Deal 10 damage. Oh, this is actually really good. I'll take that. Share account for Stone Cracker. What? I will take this. Keep thinking I click it and I don't.
Wait, 1 second. No, well, it didn't matter. They have the artifacts. You got him, champ.
Hog chimp.
We'll get him sport.
We're killing the big guy in the front first, right?
Yeah.
You can.
Ideally, we kill all of them.
They're getting strong. Let's see.
Ooh.
You're gonna take some damage.
They're gonna hit.
Hmm. You can find it at the end of your turn, lose 5 dexterity. But isn't this for block? So if I use it, when I just lose the thing anyway, when I end my turn?
Mhm.
Yeah.
What's the
You
point?
want to use it. You want to use it and then use your block cards.
Oh, okay, I get it.
Yeah.
It's just for like one big turn.
Mm-hmm. It's like for a Hail Mary.
You're getting blasted.
I am.
Dang. Armamento. What's this? Sure.
Okay, things is dead.
Bad.
But this thing has no artifacts anymore, so go get him, champ.
Why do they do so much damage? What the hell?
They buffed themselves up.